CYPELEC Electrical Mechanisms is a program created for modelling the terminal elements of electrical and telecommunications installations, such as switches, sockets, and audiovisual and telephony connectors. The program can be used together with additional tools such as CYPELEC distribution, which allows users to define conduits and the position of switchboards and loads, as well as applications that carry out the analysis and verification of standards, such as CYPELEC Core, CYPELEC REBT, CYPELEC NF, or CYPELEC RETI. To get started, we can import the geometric model of a project hosted on the BIMserver.center platform that provides a collaborative workflow via OpenBIM technology. Using the program's graphical interface, we can enter the electrical mechanisms and lighting points in the space, as well as the emergency lighting and protection volumes. We can also establish the connection between mechanisms and lighting points to create ignition circuits. In the same way, we have the option to automatically generate the necessary electrical outlets and antenna outlets for the devices imported from the BIM model, or we can assign them manually. The program checks the number of points of use or minimum mechanisms required in the rooms that make up the building according to different code specifications, which we can customize. Additionally, it also carries out checks on the electrical mechanisms that can be installed in the protection volumes. The program's output results include an IFC file of the elements arranged in the space and their 3D representation, project drawings, quantities, and cost estimations. The generated information can be exported to the BIMserver.center platform to share it with the rest of the BIM project. The mechanisms and lighting points entered can be considered as electrical loads in other programs, such as CYPELEC distribution, where we define the distribution of loads and circuits in the space.